Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have a 1320 Performance K-Series Sidewinder Turbo Manifold, and we also have a Precision 6262 ball bearing turbo. Let's open them up and see what we got. So we're going to start with the turbo manifold. I'm going to open it up. So we have a copy of the receipt. And here is our manifold. Oh, it's really heavy. So this is a K-Series manifold. Try to get it out of here. Yeah. Really? Oh, there's something in there. So attached to the bag, you have some bolts, some screws. Here's our turbo manifold. It is a Sidewinder, really heavy, K-Series. Right there. So it is a T3 connection and a V-vent for the wastegate. Nice. 1320 Performance logo right there. Something else in this box. See, looks like some stickers, 1320 Performance stickers for that toolbox. And on to the turbo. So here's our 6262 ball bearing turbo. So it is stapled in. There you go. There you go. The winning edge and boosted performance. So it's in another box. Oof, that thing is heavy. We got some heavy stuff today. Precision turbo engine. About to have more high performance motors. Like to talk turbo. You open it up. Really nice packaging. There you go. Welcome. Policy. So it has some information on that turbo, a sticker, and the turbo. But looks like we're gonna have to turn this around to get it out. There you go. Nothing else in there. This is very well packaged. So here it is, our 6262 ball bearing Precision Turbo. This turbo is rated 705 horsepower, has a T3 inlet and a V-vent discharge. This is my little beast. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys soon.